Hello learners, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic Windows updates on your Windows 11 computer. So to do that, first of all, we need to click on search and then we need to type services. Here you can see the services pops up. Now we need to click on services. And here in this window, we need to scroll down and find the double section. Here you can see the Windows update. We need to double click on this and then here you can see the service status is running. So we need to click on stop first and here you can see that the service status has been stopped. Now what we're gonna do, we need to change the startup type from manual to disabled. And then we need to click on recovery. And here in the first failure, in the pop-up option, we need to check and take no action. And then we need to click on apply. And that's how we can disable automatic Windows updates on your Windows 11 computer. So thank you for watching this video.